Hey, what is up, intelligent people? Mr. Sequin asks you right here. We have Luna, or ALUNA. And Luna, today, we just kind of following our prediction. I mean, we did manage to mitigate this beautiful demand area right here, but never actually took the price that much higher. It does seem like we have made a beautiful change of character. And all we're doing at the moment is just maybe mitigating some unmitigated demand areas, if you know what I mean. Okay, so if we mitigate this right here, I think that we could just take the prices a little bit higher, just like that, because we have already had this change of characters, so it's not going to be profitable for the console man, okay, the big institutions to just go below this level, okay, below this level. So yeah, this is going to be my prediction at the moment. So yeah, let me know what are your thoughts about this. But what could actually happen is after we maybe just push a little bit higher, we could still come back lower into these areas and then take the prices higher. So this is why I have this big ass arrow right here. So either way, I'm gonna be keeping you guys updated. Have a wonderful day and goodbye.